Hello viewers, in this particular video we would be talking about multiplication using Vedic maths. Now the case we would be taking over here is where the units digit are the same and the 10th, 100th positions sum up to 10, 100 and so on. So this is a special case and we need to understand those particular numericals which fulfill those conditions, and according to those conditions we would be applying the logic of Vedic maths. Now as we have learned about the sutra Antayayo Dasha Kapi, which means that the sum of the last digit is 10, because here what we are taking the logic, we have taken the logic that the 10th and the 100th position may sum up to 10 or 100. Simultaneously we need to ensure that the unit place need to be the same. Okay, so let's look up into the example. Now look up into the pattern of the example so that we can understand how we need to apply this concept. Now first we have 42 into 62. As we observe, the units place is the same and the 10th place, so that is 4 plus 6, they sum up to 10. The next example, 4, 4, that is the same for the units place, and 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 is same for both the cases, 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 is same for both the cases, and 99 plus 1 is 100. Next, 7 is same for both the cases and 89 plus 11 is 100. Next, 3 is same for both the cases and 999 plus 1 is 1000. So, hence, whatever examples we have identified over here, they are fulfilling the condition that the units place needs to be the same and the 10th and the 100th position may sum up to either 10 or 100. Now let's take the first example, that is 42 into 62. Okay, so when we are talking about 42 and 62, we have 2 as the units place for both the cases and 4 plus 6 is 10. So for such questions, what we need to do is that we have the LHS part and the RHS part. The LHS part would be 4 into 6 plus 2 and the RHS will be 2 into 2. So we have 24, 24, 25, 26. 26 and here we need to leave down 2 places. So 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 2604. Right. Let's repeat it. 4 into 6, that is 24, plus this value we are getting from here. The value which is available in the units place has to be copied and has to be added to the multiplication of the tens number. So that will be 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 2 will be 26 and 2 into 2 will be 4. We need to keep 2 places for the RHS, so that will be 04. So the answer is 2604. Let's verify it out. We have 42, 62, 2604. So 4 plus 2 is 6. The digital sum of 6 plus 2 is 8. Here it will be 8 into 6, that is 48, and 48 means 12, means 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 means 2 plus 1 is 3. Right. And here we have 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. We are getting the answer right, because the digital sum of both the values are being matched up. Now let's take the next question. So we have 2604. Let's compute the second one. The next is 84 into 24. The units place is the same. We have 4 for both the values and here we have 8 and 2, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So we split it out, the LHS and the RHS. The LHS will be 8 into 2 plus 4 and the RHS will be 4 into 4. So here we have 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So the answer is 2016. Verification part. First number is 84, second is 24, third is the answer which we get is 2016. Digital sum of 84 is 8 plus 4, that is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. 24 means 2 plus 4 is 6. So here we write 6, here we write 3. 6 3s are 18. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer is 2016. Now let's take the third example. We have 76 into 36. 6 is same for both the values and 7 plus 3 is 10. So the condition is being fulfilled. 6 is same. So we split it into LHS and RHS. RHS will be simple. It will be 6 into 6 and LHS will be 7 into 3 plus 6. So 21 plus 6 oblique 36. This will be 2736. So this is our required answer. Now let's go on with the next example, that is 992 into 12. The units place is the same and the tens and the hundred position, because here we have 99, 99 plus 1 is 100 and 2 is same in the units place. So we go with the calculation LHS and RHS. We have 99 into 1. Fine. Plus, let me stop over here. I'll proceed for the RHS. RHS will be 2 places, so that will be 2 into 2. 4 needs to be written as 04 because 2 places has to be left down for the RHS part. Now coming to the LHS part, now what we need to write over here. When we have done with 82, 84 and 24, what we did is 8 into 2 plus 4, 7 into 3 plus 6. But here because we are having 99 plus 1, that sum ups to 100 instead of 10. So here instead of writing 2, we need to write 2 into 10. So that will be 99 plus 20. So it will come out to be 119/04. So the answer is 11904. Let's take the next example. 897 into 117. Same way, 89 plus 11 is 100. And 7 is same in the units place. We split it out into LHS and RHS. LHS will be 89 into 11 plus, here we observe that the sum is 100. So 89 into 11, we have the value of 7 written as 7 into 10 as we have seen in the earlier example. And the RHS will be 7 into 7. So this will be 89. So that will be 979. 979 plus 70 oblique 49. So that will be 1049/49. So the answer is 104949. Let's come to the last example. 9993 into 1 3. This is same, so 3 is same. Next 999 plus 1 is coming to 1000. So LHS and RHS. LHS will be 999 into 1 plus, we have 3 over here. Now 3 has to be multiplied by 100. Next 3 into 3, we need to retain 2 places over here, so it has to be written as 09. 999 into 1 will be 999 plus 300, so that will be 129909. So the answer is 129909. So what we have learnt in these examples was, the very first thing we had considered was the units place needs to be the same and the tens place or the hundreds place may sum up to either 10, 100 or 1000 depending upon how the question is. For those particular conditions, we need to implement these particular logic. And what logic we have done? We split the number into two parts, the LHS and the RHS. RHS goes for multiplication of the units place. So simply if you make out the answer, so that will be 2 into 2, that is 4. So 2 places has to be left, so that has to be written as 04. Verbally, we proceed out. 4 into 6, 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. Done. Let's take the next example. 4 into 4, that is 16. 8 to the 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. Moving to the next, 6 6 are 36. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 6 is 27. Next, 2 2s are 4. 99 into 1 is 99. 99 plus 20, that is 190. Next, 7 into 7 is 49. 89 into 11 will come out to be 9. Let me do it. So it will come out to be 979. 979 plus 70. So that will be 1049. So that is 1049 and the LHS will be 49. Coming to the last, 3 into 3, that is 09. 999 into 1 is 999 and this 999 has to be added to 300 and the answer will be 1299. So see how verbally we can easily solve out these particular questions. So that is what we learned about in this particular session. Thanks a lot.